You've heard of electronic and digital signatures, but what's the difference? While both types help with signature convenience and speed, electronic signatures are fast, simple, and accepted for almost all types of agreements. You click, you sign, and you're done. Your signed document is now available on all of your devices. Digital signatures are about increased signer identity authentication and signature encryption, required in highly regulated industries and regions. They're encrypted, verifiable, and support the broadest range of legal requirements. So, for electronic signatures, think fast and simple. For digital signatures, think about meeting the highest level of security and compliance. With Adobe Sign, gather electronic and digital signatures from any device, anywhere. With no paper, no pen, and no slowing down.